In this lesson, we will go over how to edit content in the OpenText Management Server text editor. When you open your text editor by clicking the Add, Edit, and Format Main Content red dot within the CMS, you'll bring up the text editor and you'll see a variety of options at the top of the page. The first three here are relatively unused. The first option will actually let you start with a new, completely new content. So in essence, it deletes the content you have so that you start with a blank sheet. This option will allow you to select files, select from local file system. So like if you want to bring in content that's on a Word document or something like that, you can use that option. However, a Word document will bring in kind of funky styles and funky layout, so we don't really recommend doing that. The next option is if you need to select text from like another page, you can do it by using that option. This option, of course, is your print, and then you have your cut, your copy, and then two paste options. One is paste formatted, which will bring in the formatting from the content that you're copying. The next is unformatted. We recommend using unformatted exclusively because the code that you generate through the text editor is much cleaner, generally speaking, than code that's generated from Microsoft Word. You have your undo and your redo options. The undo and redo are a little bit tricky. It doesn't necessarily go back, with each step that you've taken. It goes by server time. The best way to explain that is like if you've ever played a video game and you've come to the point where you have like a checkpoint. It's kind of like that. Every 15 seconds of work that you've done, it will record that as basically like your checkpoint. Your check spelling option, your symbol table, so if you need to add like a trademark or copyright symbol, something like that. This option will allow you to add an abbreviation tag, which is not really used very often anymore. If you need to switch text direction, this is the option there. If you need to remove formatting from any content, you just click that. This is your bold and your italic. This is your superscript, your subscript, and then we have your align left, align center, justify, and align right options. Do not ever use justify. While it may look okay in the text editor, it will come out as a published web page with strange spacing between text. We have the ability to decrease and increase indent. Again, these are options that can add superfluous code to your page, so please refrain from using these. And we have the option to insert an unordered or ordered list, like a bulleted list like you see here, or a numbered list. Right here are our table options. This will create a new table. Once a table is created, you can use this option to format the table, like your background colors, your width, and things like that. This is how you insert a row above, below your current row, and this is to remove a row. And then your columns, this is to insert a column to the left, column to the right, and to remove a column. If you need to insert individual cells, you can do that by using these three options. This will insert a cell to the left, insert a cell to the right, and this will remove your cells. All right, and these six options are your header options. Generally, on every page, we'll have one, what we call an H1. That is your header level 1, and this is important to have your page title included as an H1 option. H2 is like your secondary header. Those are ones that will look on our website like with a light blue bar behind it. Your H3, those are a little bit smaller, and they'll have an underlined rule underneath it. H4, H5, and H6 are all very sparsely used. The HR option will insert a horizontal line between content, so you can add that there. This is how you would delete a link, insert a link, define a jump mark. A jump mark is like an anchor on a page, so if you've ever been to a web page that had a link that said back to top or something like that, you would click that and it would take you back to the top of the page. Insert or edit an image, and then we have a few styles here that are available to use.